Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see a very delicious, easy to make recipe. Today we're gonna see how to make Moutabal or eggplant puree. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. I have 2 eggplants, 1 lemon juice, 2 spoons of tahini sauce, 3 garlic cloves, 1 spoon of salt, and a little bit of olive oil. This is our ingredients and let's see how to prepare our dish today. I'm gonna show you 2 ways to do that. The first one is put the eggplants in an oven and roast it until it's done. The second one is cook the eggplant over the stove. So before we put it in the oven, we make some holes on the eggplant like you see in the video. With 200 degrees of temperature, put it on a tray and leave it in the oven for around 1 hour. The same thing we're gonna do if we cook it on the stove. We make a holes on it and put it directly over the fire like you see in the video. And this way is gonna take around 10 minutes. After we cooked it, we're gonna peel it, then get rid of the top of it and cut it in a small pieces. Put the eggplants in the food processor together with tahini, lemon juice, the garlic and the salt. Then mix them all together. And this is our final look of our puree. Put it on a plate, add some sumac and a little bit of olive oil. You can eat it with pita bread or use it as appetizer with other meals. That's all for today, my friends. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area down below. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.